Culinary, tapos baking. Para tayo pa rin yung impact.
Apple pie. Hey, what's up?
Wow! Mamaya ko na siya inid. Pag na, ano na. Diyan ko na ba inid? O doon teacher sa akin? Pwede naman dito. Pwede naman dyan.
Asan yung plastic ko, ma'am, na
Ano po? Ito po. Ito po.
give me cup nila. Cup nito.
Salamat po. Parang medyo basa.
Mahirap.
Ano ba yung dito yung paglagay dito? Nakalimutan ko.
Oo, sa loob yan.
Ito? Sa loob yan. Ganito.
Kitchen kasi ano, marmol.
This one?
Marmol kasi sa kitchen. Kaya wala ka nang ganyan.
You join with us.
You willing to
Yeah.
join us?
You adopt us.
Not all people,
Not all people like you.
different
can-
country, like that.
Can communicate to like us, the local one.
Thank you for the compliment.
That's
Second
why I'm very
emotion.
happy, sir. Because me and Joey are same.
Hindi ako napapahalata nga eh.
But me a little bit, I can
Madaldal
talk.
talaga ako.
Me, I can a little bit talk English. That's why.
If I have same like me, too much talking, so I ano yun, 1, 2.
Pero yung ganito pala tawa lang. Kasi hygiene.
Si Jinjin ba? Jin. Oh, sarap. This is apple pie.
So this one.
Kayo, anong susunod niya pagkatapos dito? Culinary tayo. Para isang ano.
Apple pie.
Kasama tayo dun sa main free, di ba?
Apple
Dalawang
pie.
free.
Dalawang free.
Pie, apple pie.
Culinary. Culinary, tapos baking. Para tayo pa rin yung impact.
Apple pie.
Ano, Joey? Next tayo culinary, tapos baking. Para si ma'am pa rin tayo.
Apple pie.
Alam na ni ma'am kung sino marunong.
Para may memory.
Then, tapos. Here.
This one I want to signature. This dish is toasted apple pie because see dark here
It
light so
Kuya,
toasted apple pie.
Like that?
This is our another achievement today. As of today, today is another day. Aywa. Same like
Dry siya. Gagawin sa susunod pag
Same like,
gagawin ko kay Teacher Joanne yung niluluto
what call that
yung
one?
apple para nagsisirup-sirup siya.
Oo,
Same like a moon.
Dry na.
Oo.
half moon and
Cinnamon.
whole moon, cinnamon. Alright. Good idea. Good answer. Same like earth.
What earth?
Night and morning.
It's 2 to 5.
Yeah. This